Spin.
We started hot. Tapos second quarter medyo nag-mellow down. We scored only 5 points in the second quarter. They made their run. Tapos from then on naging close fight, and good thing our veterans stepped up and we executed down the line. One thing is chemistry, the other one is yung taking care of the ball and taking good shot selection. Yes, syempre, ilang araw lang magkakasama itong mga to. Less than a week. Basically, less than a week.
Well, they were a very physical side who really took it to us early with their defensive pressure, which led to a lot of transition layups for them. We were on the back foot for a long time, but we just slowly worked our way into the contest, and with a little bit more poise down the stretch, things could have been different. But they're obviously a well-organised team. They play a lot together, so it was a good test for us. So I thought our guys really stepped up.
What do you think they're looking to win?
I don't know until I see the rest of the teams.
I found them very impressive, man. Very fundamentally sound. They know how to play off the dribble, they know how to find space, and they move the ball really well. We'll see, there's one more game left. We'll see what India and Malaysia have to say about that. For sure, man. They have good chemistry. We look forward to playing. Thank you.
But do you know that this is the first game?
I do. Oh, it is. Woo. Hey, like I said, I'm impressed with the Filipinos, man.
siyempre, a win is still a win, no? Kahit ano pa yan, no? We would always accept that kind of a victory despite losing a big margin in the first quarter. But we have to adjust to the officiating, to the brand of play that is going here in Malaysia.
Ano yung factor na nakita mo na parang ayaw mo maulit sa next game?
They lose our players lose focus pagka merong mga tawag na alam mo na yung hindi wala sa normal, no, nagugulat sila, and they would want to get that kind of a call, pipilitin nila ang sitwasyon and hindi mangyayari. So luckily we were able to turn things around going into the crucial part of the game, and maybe in our next game we can make the necessary adjustments.
Spin.